In this video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting with your checkbox here in the Google Sheets app. Now, unfortunately, conditional formatting is only available with Android phones. So if you try and do this with an iOS device, sorry, but this is only available for Android devices. So let's get started. If I want to do a conditional formatting based on these checkbox right here, this is how I'm going to do it. So I have an example right here where if I check on this, the order status would look like that. So I did this with conditional formatting. We have the word changed into processed, and we also have the text color changed into green and have that strike through. We're going to do this with our if function and our conditional formatting. Now for the if function, this is the formula that I used. If B2 or the checkbox is equal to true. Now if a checkbox is checked, the value would be true, and if it's unchecked, that's false. So if it's true, then we will have the processed word appear like so. But if it's not true, it will just say pending, which is what's happening right here. So we have the first one, which is checked, processed. Unchecked would be pending. Now for the conditional formatting, what you're going to do is to select the range where you want that conditional formatting applied to, then go to Format right here. Scroll up and you'll see conditional formatting. Right now it says one rule because that's the rule that we have on this one. So I'm just going to delete that and start over and show you what I did. Select conditional formatting, tap on that, and here we have it. So here is where we're going to start. Here's the range that we have selected, that's C2 to C25. For the format cells or for condition, we're going to tap on that drop down, scroll all the way up and select custom formula. If you tap on that, right here is where we're going to enter the formula. So our custom formula is actually a logical test that if equal B2, which is next to our C2 right here, is equal to true, then that cell will be formatted in this way. Well, right now we have this formatting style selected, but if we want to customize this, we can just tap on the plus sign, and here we have it. I'm going to remove the fill color. There we go. Tap on none. Go back. Select a different text color. Let's say a green one. There we go. Go back. And again, add the strike through. So if we tap on that one, this is a custom formatting for that condition. So we have if B2 is true, it should be formatted in this way. And if we tap on done, there we have it, close that off. And again, we have that formatting applied to that cell because our checkbox is equal to true. Again, if a checkbox is checked, then the value is true. If it's unchecked, then it's false. There you have it. So if I check on that, all of these have been processed. Let's keep on checking. And now we have formatted these cells based on our checkboxes right here. So that's how you do conditional formatting with your checkbox here in the Google Sheets app. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.